Looks like you wanna work and just believe this for this. I know some part of it powerful, but everything's okay. We can all go.